Let's take a closer look at this Scotch Brite brush scrubber. This is a scrubber that I use to scrub the dishes prior to putting them in the dishwasher. Now it has some really tough nylon bristles, and in order to fill the soap dispenser, all you have to do is turn this and fill up the soap dispenser. And here is the button that you press to dispense the soap. As you can see, it's coming out. And then once you dispense the soap, then you just scrub off all your tough messes, and then you can put it in the dishwasher. This has been one of the best products my husband and I have ever used. And I'm just going to give you an extra tip. Once the dishes are all placed in the dishwasher, my husband comes around and takes this nice brush scrubber, and then he scrubs the entire stainless steel sink, so it keeps that very clean every single night. I also wanted to note that these nylon bristles can be interchangeable with the sponges if you prefer to use a sponge versus these nylon bristles. So if you have never tried these Scotch Brite brush scrubbers, I highly recommend them because I guarantee you will not be disappointed.